Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very unique and interesting chicken recipe, which is chicken fry with bamboo shoot and ghost pepper. This is a spicy, flavorful and extremely delicious dry chicken recipe which you can enjoy as a side dish along with hot steamed rice or as a starter. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe, you will need 2 medium onions sliced in this way, 8 to 10 garlic pods and 2 small pieces of ginger. Then you will need 3 fresh red chillies or as per your spice level. If you don't have fresh red chillies, you can use dry red chillies also soaked in warm water. Then this is the very famous Bhoot Jolokia or ghosh pepper of Assam. And this is bamboo shoot, which has been roughly chopped. So I'm cooking 8 to 10 chicken pieces, and for that this much quantity is enough. But if the quantity of chicken is more, then you will need more than this. Now first we need to grind the garlic and ginger along with the red chilies. We will not grind the ghost pepper, otherwise it will be very spicy. So I'll keep this aside now. Now take a mixer grinder and add the garlic, ginger and the red chilies. Break them into small pieces. I will add few slices of the ghost pepper while cooking the chicken for extra spiciness and intense flavor. Now add a splash of water and we need to grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now. So our ginger, garlic and red chili paste is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a karhai or wok and into it add just 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the karhai, and when the oil is hot enough, we need to add the sliced onions. And on medium flame, fry the onions till they turn golden brown in color. So by now the onions have turned golden brown. At this stage we will add the chicken pieces, and on medium to high flame we need to fry the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes until the color of the chicken slightly changes. So the chicken has been fried for a while, and now time to add the ginger, garlic and red chili paste. Fry the ginger, garlic and red chili paste along with the chicken for another 3 to 4 minutes until the raw taste of ginger garlic goes away. Now reduce the flame to low and we will cover and cook the chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes now. Let's check the chicken. Stir them once. The chicken is partially cooked now. At this stage, we'll add the roughly chopped bamboo shoot. Mix this well along with the chicken. Then goes 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now this is the white part of spring onion, which I will roughly chop and add into the chicken. Alright, this is done. And now I will quickly season the chicken with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, and some freshly crushed black pepper. This should be enough. Now mix this well. This chicken recipe is made with minimal spices. The flavor of bamboo shoot along with ginger garlic and red chilli paste and ghost pepper dominates the dish. And now again we will cover and let the chicken cook on low to medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's almost 6 minutes and the chicken should be cooked by now. Stir the chicken once. I will add now a splash of water to rinse the mixer grinder. Mix this well. And now I'm going to add few slices of the ghost pepper, but remember to slice it with scissors, otherwise you will get burning sensation wherever your hand touches. I'm going to add just half of it. This should be enough. Now give this a mix. And we will let the chicken simmer for just 2 minutes. Finally, I will add some green spring onions sliced diagonally. And our chicken fry is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our chicken dry fry with bamboo shoot and ghost pepper into the serving plate. Enjoy this as a side dish along with hot steamed rice or as a starter. So friends, I hope you'll try this interesting chicken recipe. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.